Well, the California Club is going to have some great events coming up, and well, one just about 2 weeks from today, and then another one coming up in April. And we have Susan Wheeler here today. Good to see you.
Oh, hi,
Thank
Ken.
you.
Always good to be here.
Yeah, tell us about the events coming up. Now, the first one is going to be March 18th, the Blues Brothers, tribute to the Blues Brothers.
Correct.
Yeah.
I don't know if, do you remember the Blues Brothers from Saturday Night Live?
Of course,
in
yes.
the 1980s. What were their names? Jake and Elwood Blues.
Yeah.
R&B, soul, great entertainers and all of that. Dan Aykroyd and John Belushi did Jake and Elwood. Well, there's a group that is available called Shotgun Blues, and they bring Jake and Elwood blues to life for us with their great singing, dancing, and carousing around two wild guys up on the stage. So we're looking forward to having them at California Club. That's on the 24th of March. It's a cocktail dress event, and the featured entree is orange roughy, that fabulous white fish with an alternative choice of herb roasted chicken or vegetarian lasagna.
Okay.
And for people who are new to California Club that aren't aware of what it is just, you don't have to be a longtime resident of California. It's a club that's open to anyone. We have about 400 members. We meet once a month for 9 months out of the year. And it's more like a dinner dance kind of nightclub event is what takes place.
So this one, again, March 18th, and that will be $28 or $33 for non-members. And you should sign up for this, right?
Yes, yes.
Your stuff
You need to sign up before
full.
Because we do fill up. There are typically about 350 people that attend these events.
Okay.
And they typically sell out. So the deadline is the Wednesday before that next Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it is, you can go on the web page, the club pages to find out more, but calclubreservations@gmail.com. So that's
right.
easy.
Or the website, CaliforniaClubofLagunaWoods.com.
Now, the next one, which we've talked about before, Sunday, April 5th, is a tribute to Neil Diamond.
Yes, this is our big, big, big event. We have done nothing like this before. Many clubs do, but we haven't done it, where we have a Neil Diamond tribute at the Performing Arts Center, and that will be on the 5th of April, Sunday the 5th at 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m. Tickets are $25, $28, and $30. And the tribute artist is Jay White is his name. Now, you know, with all the tribute bands they have around, there are all different qualities of tribute bands. You know, some are okay, some are better, some are the absolute best. And we have the absolute best in Jay White. He's performed around the country, in Vegas many times, and he's performed with Neil Diamond himself. He looks like Neil Diamond. He sings exactly like him. And people will be talking about this performance for months afterwards. It will be fun.
So that one, different, you get tickets at the Performing Arts Center,
You get tickets at the Performing Arts Center. It's seating only. It's not a dinner dance like our usual.
Right.
You know, the usual 814 people is what they can seat, and we are getting close to being sold out already.
Okay.
So if anyone wants to attend, make sure you get your ticket right away.
That month, by the way, you're still having your regular meeting, or this sort of takes...
We are,
Oh, you are.
and we'll fill you in on that next month.
Okay, but the first one, again, is the Blues Brothers on March 18th. That one is going to be done through them, meaning you need to get reservations, and the website is very easy. You know, I tell people go to our club pages and then link up from
Exactly.
there. But email calclubreservations@gmail.com. That's going to be a lot of fun.
It should be great. And at our website, you get clips of the performers and know what to expect.
All right.
Yeah.
Very good. Always good to see you.
Great to see you too, Ken. Thank you.
You take care, and we'll be right back. I saw